Hi guys, and welcome to your English 1A Shirley Kahlert research guide. My name is Carrie Bullock and I'm the librarian for your class. So I put together a quick tutorial on how to use the EBSCO database. So when we are accessing the research guide, I clicked on the magazine and journal articles. I'm going to scroll down just a touch down to the EBSCO databases box. Now I've given a couple of tips for using EBSCO. EBSCO is one of our most sophisticated databases, so it does require a little bit of strategy when using it. So first off, I've given a link for Academic Search Complete, but I've also noted that we want to pick up Academic Search Complete, Master File, and OmniFile Complete. And we can do all that once we've actually entered into the database. So I'm going to start by clicking on the database link. Now this is where you would be asked to sign in, so it would be your portal password. It's the same as your Canvas portal, that first name, period, last name, and then your password. So here I have a list of all 33 databases within the EBSCO databases. And I'm going to pick up the top 3 by doing this. 1, 2, 3. You are welcome to pick up more. If you think you might benefit from history or maybe psych, there's a psychology database that's very helpful down here. Go for it. But let's go ahead and press continue. And do not do select all. When we select all, those 33 databases are very deep. And the Medline and CINAHL databases are especially so, and they will really eat up all your broadband and take forever. So as I mentioned, there is a bit of a strategy to searching in the EBSCO databases. I won't go into too many of those right now, but I did want to show you one last thing. In case you decided that you wanted to pick up one more database, I mentioned that psychology database. I'm going to click in front of the psychology and behavioral sciences collection and say OK, and now it's added it to my databases. I always recommend an advanced search just because I think that that gives you those some more options for searching your single concepts, your single words. So I'm going to say dictum and logic. And from here you can search. It's applying those Boolean operators right here. So if I drop down, I could say dictum or logic, and this is going to really broaden my search. And I'm going to say, if I say dictum but not logic, it's going to rule out any time that logic is mentioned within dictum. But here are my articles. In order to look at the article, I need to click PDF or HTML full text, and this actually opens up the article, and it's basically a scanned-in version of. I do want to mention that within the result list, by clicking on the title of the article, I get the abstract right here without having to open up the article. I have lots of ways to save my information over here on the right-hand side. And if I want to open it up again, I'm going to click that PDF full text. WebCat does not work in this case. It'll redirect you to a much more library language database. Okay, guys? So that's it for EBSCO. And as always, please feel free to reach out. My information is located on your LibGuide, and happy researching.